So this practical demonstrates how to freely download Landsat satellite imagery for specific geographic area using the USGS EarthExplorer portal. So what we do is we go to this website. I've posted the link on the description here, and you'll have to go to the sign in and then create a new account. You could use a username and a password of your own, choose it, and you're good to go. So once this is done, then you will just click here with continue. There are certain details that they will ask you. You can fill in as per your credentials. You can fill in whatever you feel like. Just fill in some details that you feel are relevant to you. And then go further on to fill in your details. So once your registration is submitted, then you will wait for your mail to come. I got it in my spam, so keep checking your spam folder also. And then click your link to verify. Once your registration is confirmed, you can log into the USGS website and then go back to the Earth Explorer that you have. So once you're here, then you will fill in the area. So instead of filling in the coordinates, since I did not have the latitude longitude, I went to the map and I clicked the location that I'm interested in. So if I'm interested in Kanpur, so you can see here, these values are coming in of the latitude and longitude that I'm selecting. You could also manually fill these values and have a polygon selected. Then I have to choose a date. So date I've chosen for 2 years, a random date that you want, whatever. If you're working for a particular project, you will select the date accordingly. And then something called cloud cover. So it could be set to whatever range that you want. So if you're studying clouds, you would want a greater cloud cover. Otherwise, you generally keep it below 20. And then you look at the satellites, the data which is available. So here we've picked out the satellite Landsat 8 data, and then you will get certain search results. Now overlay them. So you can see that this chosen area was okay, and these chosen areas are outside my area of interest. So this one was fine. So I selected this. Then go to the description and you will see all the files. I can choose to download specific file, or I can choose to download all the files together, clubbed into a zip file. Once this is done, I will get the zip file of the entire images that I have downloaded for that particular date. You will get the description here. So there's a text file which will completely show you all the description of all the kind of images that you have downloaded, the dates, the cloud cover, all the details are here. We will practically see all these details once we move on to the further practicals. Here we are just trying to download the images, and you can see I have been able to download these images and they are now ready for me to import into Python for further exploration. So I will see you in the next class. Thank you so much.